What is the typical duration for learning SQL?
Welcome to this discussion about one of the most valuable skills in today's data-driven world, structured query language, or SQL. If you're thinking of learning this powerful database language, you're probably wondering, how long does it typically take to learn SQL?
What factors influence the learning duration?
The duration for learning SQL can vary greatly depending on several factors. 1. Your background. If you have a background in computer science or a related field, or if you've had some exposure to programming languages before, you might find it easier to pick up SQL. 2. The depth of knowledge required. The basics of SQL can be learned relatively quickly, but mastering more advanced concepts will obviously take longer. 3. The amount of time you can dedicate. Naturally, the more time you can commit to learning each day or week, the faster you'll progress.
A rough timeline for learning SQL.
Here is a rough guide to how long it might take you to learn SQL, assuming you can dedicate a few hours each day. 1. Basics, 1 to 2 weeks. This includes understanding what SQL is, its applications, and learning simple commands like select, from, where, etc. 2. Intermediate skills, 3 to 5 weeks. This covers more complex commands and concepts like joins, subqueries, and basic functions. 3. Advanced skills, 2-3 months. This is where you'll learn about complex queries, stored procedures, triggers, and optimizing your SQL queries. In total, if you're starting from scratch, you can expect to gain a decent proficiency in SQL in about 3 to 6 months of regular practice and study. Remember, this is just a rough estimate and the actual time can vary based on the factors discussed above.
How to speed up the learning process.
There are a few strategies that can help you learn SQL faster. Practicing regularly. Consistency is key in learning any new skill. Set aside dedicated time each day for learning and practicing SQL. Project-based learning. Applying what you've learned to real-world projects can help solidify your understanding and give you practical experience. Learning from multiple resources. Don't restrict yourself to a single learning resource. Different sources might explain the same concepts in different ways, which can aid your understanding. So, while the journey to mastering SQL isn't necessarily a short one, it's a manageable and rewarding journey that can open up new opportunities in your career. Remember, consistency is crucial, so make sure to regularly practice and apply what you learn. We hope this guide gives you a clear idea of what to expect on your SQL learning journey. Happy learning!